Well, happy Friday. Took a couple trades today. Overall, very choppy conditions for a Friday, but we made the best out of it. Ended with a green day. We're going to go and recap those trades right now. If you didn't know, I'm trading every morning at market open on my main channel, Trades by Matt, and I'm trading all of these trades on my 20, 50K funded Apex accounts. You can use code TBM for 80% off. It's also 1 day to pass. If you hit your profit target in 1 day, you're passed. You'll get the emails that night, and it's $85 lifetime activation fees, all with code TBM. So if you're interested in getting up to 20 funded accounts, you can use Apex with code TBM and get those deals. Let's go and dive into today's recap. Yo, good morning. How we doing? Welcome. A little dumpy action happening right now, huh? It's looking very similar to yesterday. Happy Friday, chat. Happy F1 Austin Day. F1 is back in town. Wow, really dumping. I guess that's just on a 4-point chart. It looks crazy. Still crazy enough. Alrighty. Markets are opening in 40 seconds. We were bounced off of yesterday's value area high. Nice little slap and bid back up. We got VWAP down below at 430. We got 420 below that. And we've got 390s yesterday's point of control, 370s yesterday's value area low. Daily charts looking like this. I did not watch the close yesterday. I got my bag and left. But looks like we rejected 600 pretty nicely and slapped off it. Did we do that on the overnight session? I think we did, because I think we honestly hung out here for a while. We might have pushed up into 500 or something, but we hung out around 400 for a while yesterday. Markets are open. Right into VWAP maybe. We got volume now down here at 45. Now up at 50s. Alrighty, nice push into the 80s here. Nice bounce off VWAP so far. We got 3 minutes on green lighted trade. News wise, we never talked about news. News, we've got nothing. We got some Fed heads talking. 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. And we never did the Wordle. Sick. I love it when that happens. F. Ryan says party. I was about to say two complete gray squares in a row is not good. Okay. We're functioning a little bit here. I hated having to use the double T, but I can't think of anything else, to be honest. And there is a double T, so it worked out well. Let's see. So the S needs to either go at the front or the second. I'm gonna say the front because that just makes the most sense. Which means the T, double T at the end. I don't know any words that have double T at the end. But the T probably needs to go here, I would think, and then I, and then and then a T. So go through the list here. Stute? Is that a word? S-T-I-U-T? Probably not. S-T-I-O-T. Stided. Stiffed? Probably not. I don't think that's a word. Nope. Stidged. Sticked. I don't think that's a word either. Nope. Stilt. Maybe a word. Dang. Okay, we're close, chat. We're close. Stizzed. Stived. Stint. I felt pretty good about that, to be honest. That was not an easy one. Twist really saved my ass there, the double T. If I had done my normal trash, that also would have been decent, but whatever. Why did I switch it to beach? I don't know. We just barely ran the highs here on the overnights. I'm also green lighted a trade. Just past the combine. Great way to end the week. Nice. GG's. Chat, if you didn't know, 80% off is back with Apex. 1 day off to one day to pass as well as $85 lifetime activation fees. They got the new payouts dropping at the end of the month, or start of the next month, I guess November. 8 days instead of 10 days for payout periods. No payout windows, so you can request whenever you get the 8 days. DCAing is going to be back in some capacity, and yeah, all with code TBM. And they're paying fast as hell. I got paid in like 24 hours this last one. Yeah, I saw someone that got approved and paid all within a day. So it was like literally approved in like 6 hours, paid that day, and then it was in their bank at that night or something like that. It was crazy. So good, very solid, very needed changes all coming to Apex right now. Got liquidity a little higher here. Buyers looking decent. You know, buying 72. Oh my god, what am I doing, chat? What am I doing? What am I doing? Maybe should have had the lineup. I mean, that would have been an immediate 10 points. My god, what? Oh. Immediate 10 points. All right, it's lit, chat. The dad joke for today, October 18th, Friday. Why do bowling pins have such tough lives? Because they're always getting knocked down. Who do you think you are? I am. Should we do this weekend's dad joke as well? People don't seem to like that one. Joke 6, delivery 10, thank you. And I feel like the who do you think you are? I am really adds to the joke. Saturday, October 19th, Sunday, October 20th. How do you organize a space party? You plan it. All right, we like that one better. Is that one better? Can we get a round of applause, please, for that one? You realize if you womp it, that's the entire point of a dad joke? That's what I'm saying. I mean, this is an entire dad joke calendar. They're supposed to be dumb. It's the whole goal. All right, this is good. I want us to pop the highs purely so that we can have like the higher low and then, you know, now a higher high. And then it makes me a lot more comfortable rebidding like value area high or something. We got liquidity higher. I like the ups. It's just like, how do I find a cheap entry here without getting chopped up and spit out? I don't hate the idea of buying opening range high here if we're gonna get some legs and continue, but I mean, doji, we ran the highs. What's buyers doing? Buyers are kind of chilling. I'm gonna try a quick short here. I like the risk off of the doji. I think it's pretty defined. All right, the auto break even stop does not work, so we're gonna have to change that hotkey. Nice, and there's 10 points. Good stuff off the doji, off the highs, magical 20s, 10 pointer, nice little base hit. Good risk trade there. Doji at the highs, or excuse me, like a little bit of a hammer at the highs, magical 20s. Obviously, stop goes above the high. We obviously also, last time we made new highs, we got swept pretty low, so it was just playing off of this. Looking for an actual base hit into the psych level 500s. Also the 1 minute, like, if you can even call this an order block. I don't even know if you could call it that, but it all kind of lines up together there. A great looking trade, one that I like. Zero drawdown, I believe. I think there was zero drawdown there. Marketed in and wrote it out for 10. 5 minute chart, so many wicks. I know, dude. All of these charts are just loaded with wicks right now. Another candle that gets bought up right in the last minute of the day, or minute of the candle. Sick. Got some buyers trying to push through as well. I keep looking at the 22 range because I think it's a little cleaner on this choppiness, honestly. Like the 93, I think is decent. The question is just like, oops. The question is, what's the risk on that? With if buyers are actually going to push it, right? All right, I wouldn't have gotten filled anyways. I would have missed it by two ticks. It's a nice slap though. We got Delta hanging out here. I'm finally getting filled at the top of this little range. If I get filled, I missed it by point. Less than 3 ticks. With the look back inside the range. All right, I'm filled. Now we see if we run 500 or not. There's the 500. Jumpy. Blue line algo. $95, rock solid. Do we do it this time? I have a hard time envisioning this not getting run, but it looks like it's just going to pump straight through. A fourth time? Excuse me. Trying. A little bit of sellers, nothing crazy. Went ahead and moved my stop break even with the hockey. Take a break even there. It's just not doing it. Give it the shot, but I mean, we go back above that range. It's just gonna pop right back above 500. So I went ahead and just took the break even. I don't even think it's popping higher, by the way. I just don't think that we're going lower. I think we're just going sideways, and I'm not gonna just sit and draw down. Just didn't do anything. I still wouldn't be shocked to see us go trade point of control or, you know, mid 80s. But mid 80s is like a 10-point move, and that seems massive right now. So there we go. It's trying to do it. I don't even know, where did I get in at? 95? 95 and a quarter. Still wouldn't even be at 10 points right now off of that move. Yeah, I think that's it for me, everybody.